Here's a 2018 Nissan Sentra. A playful sedan with stunning looks, value, and quality that surrounds you. Make ease of your go-go-go routine with the convenience of keyless entry, cruise control, and smart auto headlights. Get settled in comfortable seating with room for 5 with generous cargo space, or go to a whole new dimension with the 60/40 split fold-down rear seats. You'll break through the monotony and go more places happily with Bluetooth and auxiliary audio input and USB port. It's time to revise your ride. Keep it interesting. Test drive this Sentra today. It's a 2018 Nissan Sentra. Allow yourself an upgraded driving experience with more than just essentials. A comfortable cruiser that's a pleasure to drive, offering keyless entry, smart auto headlights, cruise control, and tire pressure monitoring system. You get flexible fun with 60/40 split fold-down rear seats, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, and USB port. Stay the course with vehicle dynamic control with traction control system, and enjoy the ultimate payoff for all those long hours. Embrace the opportunity. Treat yourself to a test drive in this Nissan Sentra today.
Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. Or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.